Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Not good day, bit rainy. What to do? We had to go. Right, this is 2018 Mercedes C-Class diesel. I'm going to talk about Adblue system, and there is a warning light on the dashboard. Till you are not subscribed my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go inside the car and find out with the computer what's going on there. Right, I got two faulty code for the under engine management. P13 Echo 400. The remaining driving distance is limited due to malfunction of Adblue, and the P13 Delta Foxtrot 09, the Adblue system has malfunction. There is a component faulty. Right, apart of that one, 3 communicator control malfunction as malfunction. Yeah, basically only 2 problems only that they talk about the Adblue system. However, according to my knowledge, I'm not feeling this is any problem with the Adblue system. I feeling something related to the NOx sensor or something. Not sure at the moment. We need to go underneath the car and have a look what's going on. First of all, I'm going to check Adblue system, Adblue tank here. I checked the tank, it's fully filled with the Adblue. Then I'm not worried about the Adblue. I know definitely vehicle has a Adblue. Next step, I'm going to jack up the car and need to check NOx sensors. I'm going to jack up the car, go underneath and show you what's happened underneath. I already jack up the car, then I'm going to underneath. This is the exhaust. That's a back passenger tire. Then when you come to the exhaust here, right, you can see this sensor. This is the bank 2 or rear NOx sensor. Then you have to come through the exhaust towards to engine. After that, you can see rear temperature sensor. Then after that, exhaust going in behind this cover. Basically it's holding with 8 mm, lot of screws. However, I'm going to remove this underneath cover, and the bottom, this is the bottom cover, this side. I need to remove 2 covers. Then after that, I have access to the exhaust. I'm not going to show you how to remove these covers. Once I remove the covers, I'll show you what's going on there. At the moment, my plan, remove this cover and take access to bank 1 NOx sensor and have a look what's going on there. First, I'll remove this cover and come back to you. This is the special tool for removing oxygen sensor, NOx sensor. It's a 22 mm sockets. Sometimes you can use it like a 22 spanner. If you not, you have to buy like this one. It's very useful because sometimes it's sit on funny awkward angles, then you can use it, this tool, and remove it easily. If you don't have a like this tool, I'll put the link below. Please go through that link and you can find out this tool. Right, I already removed underneath covers. This is the exhaust. Now we have access to the all sensors. I'm going to remove this clamp here and take out Adblue sensor and have a look what happened inside here, and I'm going to make sure all Adblue liquid come from here. And next step, you can see this side, this is the bank 1 NOx sensor. I'm going to remove this sensor also and have a look what happened inside the sensor, because most common problem, Adblue come into the system and after that clog up the system. That's why most common problem for this car. However, I'm going to remove this one and NOx sensor and find out what's going on there. Right, you can see as it is this Adblue stuff developed here, but I feeling Adblue come through the sensor. However, we'll see inside the sensor hole what happened in here. You can see inside mucky stuff developed there. Then I'm going to clean inside that one, and now I'm going to start the car and have a look what's going on there, because I feeling the Adblue coming. However, I'm going to start the car. Molly, start the car. Little bit rev the car. Switch it off. You can see Adblue coming through the sensor. My hands bit wet. That's been the sensor doing the job. Then after that, I'm going to clean inside the sensor. Now you can see this hole getting bigger. See, it's cover all mucky things. Need to clean this one properly. Now you can see inside the hole it's totally cleared. That's why the most common problem for Adblue faulty, because of that Adblue mucky thing junk up inside and block the hole. Now totally clear, you can see as it is all cleared. Then I'm going to reinstall Adblue sensor. Now I'm going to install sensor. Right, that job done. Next step, I'm going to remove this NOx sensor and check what's going on there. Then I had to use special tool for that one, or I can use 22 spanner. I'm going to use, because I have a much space here, because of that I'm going to using 22 spanner. Stripula. Okay. Right, it's so tight. Then I'm going to use special tool for this one. This NOx sensor very tight. I don't have a much space here to remove sensor as it is. Because of that, I'm not going to remove at the moment. If I need to remove, I have to remove this clamp, this side, and the another clamp halfway to back this exhaust, another clamp there. After that, I had to remove fully complete exhaust and need to remove the sensor. But however, I feeling this is the problem. Now I'm going to reset light from computer and going to take to the road test and have a look how is thing going on. Right, let's go with me road test. I'm going to reset the light before I take to the road test. EMC ignition on, yes. Read faulty code. Yeah, you know as it is, current and store remain in driving distance. And the second one, Adblue P13DF09, both code you know. I'm going back and clear faulty code. Yes. Clear faulty memory completed. Okay, I'm going to recheck any faulty code left. Still current distance stored it won't able to reset. But however, I'm going to the special function, reset learn value for Adblue metering. Press FT, reset learn values F3. Reset learn value Adblue metering, reset learning value Adblue metering successful. End of the process with OK. Yes, with OK. Right, all gone. Now I'm going to take to the road test. Let's go for a road test. Right, I'm going to take to the motorway journey. When I start the car, you remember engine warning light on, then won't allow to reset from the computer. However, I use 4.7 miles to come to motorway. Now you can see all light disappeared. That's mean halfway problem sort out. However, I'm going to continue 10 miles motorway journey. Then after that I'm going to take a computer report again and have a look what's going on there. At the moment I feeling everything work as should be. Anyway, I'm going to continue 10 miles motorway journey. Right, I took it to the motorway journey. I drove 19.5 miles. Still no any funny lights at the dashboard. However, I'm still not comfortable with these things ongoing this car. Because of that, I'm going to use my computer and have a look any faulty code remaining there. Automatically search. Press yes. Okay. System selection. Engine control module. Okay. Read faulty codes. Bingo. I am still waiting for these messages. In the beginning, you remember it's talk about only Adblue system. By experience, I feel in something not right NOx sensor. That's why I tried to remove the NOx sensor in the beginning. But however, I couldn't remove NOx sensor to check. It sees. Because of that, I reset the whole thing and took it to the motorway drive. Came. Now, however, what I expect, it's in there. Because early computer didn't say anything. Now they said P229E11 NOx sensor 2 bank 1 has an electrical fault. There is a short circuit to ground. Then there is another code for the NOx sensor P229E13 NOx sensor 2 bank 1 has an electrical fault. There is an open circuit, right? That's why I am suspect, because if the NOx sensor is working, Adblue system need to work fine. But if it NOx sensor fail, that means that Adblue system going to be failed definitely. That's why the whole problem. Now I know what I had to do. Early computer didn't give any support for the NOx sensor. Now straightly computer say this vehicle has a NOx sensor faulty. Then I'm going to change bank 1 NOx sensor. And again I'm going to repeat same thing. Stay with me, take a good idea. Now I'm also a little bit stuck like this scenario. By experience I know what to do. However, you also have a good idea now. Then again, I'm going to underneath the car and try to remove the NOx sensor. If I can't remove the NOx sensor, I'll show you what I going to do it, because I feeling it's stuck and seized. Anyway, nothing to do, nothing to worry. Need to do. Let's go underneath. Basically, as you know, we have a stuck NOx sensor, or if your vehicle has a oxygen sensor, same method you can apply. First thing, need to apply WD-40, leave it 3-4 hours, and try to remove with the spanner 22 mm, or if it not, you can use like a special tool to remove oxygen sensor or NOx sensor. These two tools. If it not, you can use blowtorch and heat it up and remove the sensor. Even if it not that one work, you can use like this grinder and cut the tip here. Then after that you can use 22 mm socket and remove this nut. We'll see what's going to work with this car. I'm going to underneath. As a first step, I mentioned I put it plenty WD-40 and leave it 3-4 hours. Now I'm going to try first step. Is it work or not? We'll see. I'm going to using 22 mm spanner. Right, look like to me first step work. Right, yeah, bingo. You can see it's spinning nicely. Right, yeah, lucky day. See, WD-40 all the way go until end. That's why it's spinning nicely. Right, anyway, it's out now. Now I'm going to check underneath anything. Can see from the hole. I can't see anything underneath. It's nice and clear. Right, next step, I order already Mercedes NOx sensor from the main dealer. It's cost around 450 something. However, if you want, you can buy from online, but I'm not recommended. This one come with the 1-year warranty. Totally up to you, because the price wise huge difference. However, the sensor going like this, going underneath here. I had to remove these 2 clips. Another one there. Right, now we have access to NOx sensor connector. It's holding 2 10 mm bolts, and I need to press this one, the gray color one, little bit in. Then after that I can remove the sensor. Right, connect out. You need to push this gray color tab and press, then it will come out. Then after that I'm going to remove 2 10 mm bolts. Right, after that we need to disconnect this clip here, and there another one inside here, right, and top one here, right, all out. Now I'm going to compare old one and new one. First need to find out how many pinholes there are. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and tiny tab inside. Yes, identical, it's all right. Next step, I'm going to check the length of the wire. Right, yeah, length also same. Inside also same. Right, I'm going to install new sensor. I'm going to take from here and install here. First couple of threads, do the hand tight, make sure it's nice and in. Yes, it's nice and in. I'm going to use spanner and tight properly. Right, nice and tight. Then I had to follow the same routing, the wire through the clips, because it's very close to the exhaust. This exhaust going to be very hot. Because of that, make sure all wire going through the connectors, otherwise ending with the melt up wire. Right. Right, it's tight, and I'm going to connect connector. Right, it's in. Then after that you need to press this gray color tab, and after that it's will locked. Right, it's locked. Then I had to lay the wire. I'm going to remove from old sensor this metal connectors. Right, one connector going to be fixed here. and the next connector going to be here. Right, need to clip first one. Here, and other one I'm going to connect there. Right, yeah, it's nice and covered, it won't touch the exhaust. Right, next step I'm going to install two plastic clip here. Right, at the moment done the sensor, then still I'm not going to install underneath cover. I'm going to leave it as it is. Next step, I'm going inside the car and show you what I'm going to do inside the car. This is the expensive man NOx sensor. If you want, this is the part number, Mercedes-Benz A0009059703. This is the part number, made in German. Anyway, I put the link below. If you want, you can buy from the dealer. Huge expensive. If it's not, I try to find the online price. Also, I'll put the link if you want buy in from online. Totally up to you. However, this is the expensive man. Now I'm going inside the car. I'm going to ignition on. Okay. Select ECM. Okay. Read faulty codes. Right, communication with NOx sensor 1 has malfunction, message is missing, other two all records. Then I'm going back. I'm going to delete all faulty codes, press yes, clear faulty memory complete. Okay, then again I'm going to back faulty codes. Right, other two faulty codes gone, then the only one it's still there. Communicate with NOx sensor 1 has malfunction, missing. Look like to me new sensor also faulty. I'm going to order another sensor and show you what happened there. This brand new sensor also faulty. Then I'll change another sensor. I'm going to inside the car. Still talking about the communication with NOx sensor 1. Then however, I'm going to delete this one, go back, clear faulty code. Are you sure? Yes. Code completed. Some symptom required to engine be started or need to test driving. Continue. Again, I'm going back to the codes. Right, at the moment no present code here. That's mean look like to me okay. I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. Car started, and I'm going back and check any faulty code coming. Still no any faulty code. That's been good sign. First of all, I'm going to leave it like a 15-minute idle running. Then after that, I have a special tool to keep more revving the engine. I'll show you in that step what I'm going to do. First of all, I'm going to keep the car idle 15 minutes. I'll keep the car running around half an hour idle. At the moment, no any funny warning light, nothing at the dashboard. I'm going to the computer and have a look. Any faulty code there, codes. Still you can see as it is. No code present. Right, next step, I'm going to using my special tool like this and leave it high revving another 20 minutes to half an hour. Right, I'll fix my special tool to the accelerator, and you can see now little bit high revving. I'm going to leave it like another half an hour like that and check everything going to be okay or not. At the moment, I'm keep it running like that. Exhaust also fine, no smoke at the moment. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like a 20-minute running, and we'll see with the computer what's going on the computer. I keep running with high revving half an hour. Now I'm going to release this one. And I'm going to check any code there. You can see as it is, no code. Now I'm going to switch off the car. And exit from computer menu. Then start the car again. One more time I'm going to check with the computer. Going to the engine. Codes. See, you can as it is, no code present. Right, another successful job after change bits and pits. However, if you have a vehicle like that, this is the way you have to follow. If you're not sure, better to contact your local mechanic. With this video, then you have a good idea, you know what's going on in your car. However, thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon. Then you can get my new videos. And also, whatever you remove it, don't forget to install everything properly. I'm not going to show you how to install bottom shield. I will do it now. Thank you.